Hey, hello folks, this is Jorge Cortez with another video. This is an old Samsung Galaxy Tab 2 and the ones that use this type of connector. Very similar to the iPad or iPhone 4, but it's not the same. Why? Well, I have another connector. Both of these are not original. That's why I put this little arrow pointing, meaning that it should go in this way, because most won't know if it is that way or this way. And that is because it has the pins like this underneath, while the iPad has it the other way around. It goes on top. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it goes on the upper row and the Samsung goes on the lower row. So what that does mean? Well, it means that if you flip it over, it should work with this, because it's just about the same. It's the same 30 pins on both, but the tab has a security way or security feature on it, which means that it's not going to fit unless we vent the two pins on the side. Can you see it? Those two tabs. Wait. Those two tabs on the side. This one and that one. You can either try to bend it out of the way or break them. Just as long as you don't touch the pins, should be fine. I'll be back once I do that. Okay, let's try it. Already bend it all in. Be really careful with it and you should be fine. Let's see if it is. Get it on focus. See, once it's all the way up flat, should be able to put the connector. This one has a retractable blades on the side, or tabs. We need to retract them like this. This is the old type. All the original iPad or iPod had them like this. Now it's just the same way as this one's. Anyway, let's see. Let's try it. It's already hooked up. Okay, let's see. We go about this backwards and wait, and it's in. It's already turned down. There you go. It's charging. And same thing goes for the iPad, but you use the connector, this one here, backwards. Yes, insert it. This is going to be very useful because there's not a lot of Samsung connectors, AC cables or data cables, but there's some more iPad connectors. Thank you.